Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the science behind effective bulking and sharing my journey over the past year that led to my best muscle gains yet. If you've ever wondered why bulking can outperform main gaining or dirty bulks, stick around. I've got the answers. First off, let's talk about why bulking is so effective. Our bodies prioritize muscle growth only when we're in a caloric surplus. Think about it. Evolutionarily, energy is preserved for survival, not for building muscle. So, to really pack on that muscle, you need to give your body more fuel than it needs. Scientific studies back this up. Groups in a caloric surplus gain more fat-free mass compared to those who don't. Beginners can expect mostly muscle gains, while intermediates might gain some fat, but trust me, it's worth it for those muscle gains. Now, to avoid excess fat gain weight slowly. For beginners, aim for 1–2% of your body weight per month. Intermediates should aim for 0.51%. Stick to a modest 5–10% calorie surplus over your maintenance. So, how do you set your calories smartly? Calculate your maintenance calories as your body weight times 14 to 18. Tools like the Macro Factor app can help you adjust over time. Personally, I maintain at 2,800 kilocalories and bulk at around 3,000 kilocalories. Protein is key. Eat 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. For me, that's around 170 grams at 180 pounds. Keep fat at 20–30% of your total calories, and the rest should be carbs. Avoid the extremes of low or high-fat diets. Let's talk meals. I'll share a full day of bulking meals that emphasize flexibility with macros. Tracking allows room for some junk food if it fits your macros, but nutrient-dense choices should be your go-to. Training is just as critical. Beginners, focus on consistency and form. Intermediates, ramp up the volume and intensity. Advanced lifters, consider specialization routines, aim for 3–5 gym days a week. And don't forget cardio, it doesn't kill gains. It actually supports your volume tolerance and heart health. Stick to moderate cardio unless you have an active job. I do 2–3 sessions a week, like brisk walking or basketball. Finally, let's talk supplements. Essentials include creatine, protein, and optional caffeine. Extras like fish oil, magnesium, vitamin D, a multivitamin, and ashwagandha can also be beneficial. I use Macro Factor to monitor and adjust my bulk with science-based precision. Alright, that's it for today. If you're ready to bulk like a pro, these science-backed tips will definitely help you out. Until next time, stay strong and keep lifting. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on body recomposition, the holy grail of transforming your physique. For years, the fitness industry preached that building muscle and losing fat were mutually exclusive, forcing you to choose one goal at a time. But what if I told you that you could achieve both simultaneously? Today we'll debunk the myths surrounding body recomposition and provide you with actionable steps to build a leaner, more muscular you. Get ready to unlock your body's true potential as we delve into the science-backed strategies for achieving a successful body recomposition. Let's address the elephant in the room, the age-old belief that you need to bulk to gain muscle and cut to lose fat. This misconception stems from the idea that muscle gain requires a calorie surplus, while fat loss necessitates a deficit. While it's true that these processes are optimized under different energy balances, recent studies have shown that overfeeding doesn't necessarily translate to more muscle. In fact, excessive calorie surpluses often lead to unwanted fat gain, making your physique bulkier rather than leaner. It's time to ditch this outdated dogma and embrace the possibility of body recomposition. To understand how body recomposition works, we need to view muscle and fat as separate systems. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it burns calories even at rest. Fat, on the other hand, is stored energy. Under the right conditions, your body can tap into these fat stores to fuel muscle growth, even when you're not in a calorie surplus. This concept might seem counterintuitive, but it's backed by scientific evidence. By strategically manipulating your training, nutrition, and recovery, you can create an environment where muscle gain and fat loss occur concurrently. Now, you might be wondering, is body recomposition right for me? It's a common question, and the answer isn't always straightforward. The answer is, it depends. Body recomposition, which involves simultaneously losing fat and gaining muscle, is influenced by several factors. There are 4 main groups of individuals who are most likely to experience significant body recomposition. new lifters, overweight individuals, detrained individuals, and those using anabolic steroids. Each of these groups has unique characteristics that make body recomposition more achievable. New lifters, due to their untrained state, have immense potential for muscle growth, even at a calorie maintenance or slight deficit. Their bodies respond quickly to new stimuli, making it easier to build muscle while losing fat. Overweight individuals with ample fat stores can fuel muscle growth while shedding excess fat. Their bodies have a ready energy source in the form of stored fat, which can be used to support muscle building. Detrained individuals can regain lost muscle mass while simultaneously losing fat. Muscle memory plays a significant role here, allowing them to rebuild muscle more efficiently than someone starting from scratch. And those using anabolic steroids can experience accelerated muscle growth and fat loss due to the drug's effects on protein synthesis and nutrient partitioning. However, it's important to note that steroid use comes with significant health risks and ethical considerations. But here's the kicker. Even if you don't fall into those 4 categories, there's still hope. There's a 5th group that can benefit from body recomposition suboptimized trainees. This group includes individuals who have been training for a while but haven't been training effectively or haven't optimized their nutrition and recovery. By implementing the right training protocols, dialing in their diet, and prioritizing recovery, these individuals can unlock their body's potential for simultaneous muscle gain and fat loss. Don't just take my word for it, let's look at the science. Numerous studies have demonstrated that body recomposition is a real phenomenon. For instance, a study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that even trained athletes can gain muscle and lose fat simultaneously. The researchers followed a group of well-trained basketball players who underwent a 10-week periodized training program. The results were astounding. The athletes gained an average of 20 pounds of lean mass while simultaneously decreasing their body fat percentage. When it comes to body recomposition, training is the key driver. Progressive overload, the principle of gradually increasing the demands placed on your muscles over time, is paramount. By consistently challenging your body with heavier weights, higher reps or shorter rest periods, you force your muscles to adapt and grow. But it's not just about lifting heavy. Proper form and technique are crucial to ensure that you're targeting the right muscle groups and maximizing muscle activation. Remember, training is the engine of body recomposition, while diet and recovery act as the fuel that powers your progress. Chapter 7. To optimize your body recomposition journey, it's essential to set realistic goals and adjust your calorie intake accordingly. If you're leaner and aiming for muscle gain, a small calorie surplus, around 100 to 200 calories, is generally recommended. This surplus provides your body with the extra energy it needs to build new muscle tissue. On the other hand, if you have a higher body fat percentage and prioritize fat loss, a slight calorie deficit around 10 to 20% below maintenance is more appropriate. This deficit helps create the energy deficit needed for fat burning while preserving muscle mass. Chapter 8. Macronutrient distribution for optimal results. In this chapter, we will delve into the importance of balancing your macronutrients to achieve optimal fitness results. Macronutrient distribution plays a crucial role in body recomposition. By understanding how to balance protein, fats, and carbohydrates, you can tailor your diet to meet your specific fitness goals, whether it's building muscle, losing fat, or maintaining your current physique. Protein is particularly important as it provides the building blocks for muscle growth and repair. Consuming adequate protein helps in muscle recovery, especially after intense workouts, and supports the development of lean muscle mass. Aim for a protein intake of around 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight, adjusting based on your leanness and activity level. This means if you weigh 150 pounds, you should aim for 120 to 150 grams of protein daily. Fat, despite its bad reputation, is essential for hormone production and overall health. Healthy fats support brain function, help absorb vitamins, and provide a long-lasting source of energy. Aim for at least 20% of your total calories from healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. This ensures that your body gets the essential fatty acids it needs to function properly. The remaining calories can come from carbohydrates, which provide energy for your workouts and replenish glycogen stores. Carbohydrates are crucial for maintaining energy levels, especially during high-intensity training sessions. Choose complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables for sustained energy. Chapter 9. The underrated power of sleep and recovery. Don't underestimate the importance of sleep and recovery in the body recomposition equation. A 2018 study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition highlighted the detrimental effects of sleep deprivation on body composition. The study found that sleep-deprived individuals lost muscle mass instead of fat mass during dieting, emphasizing the importance of adequate rest for muscle preservation and growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize your body's recovery processes. Chapter 10. Supplements and nutrient timing. The icing on the cake. Let's be clear, no supplement can directly cause body recomposition. They are not magic pills that will transform your physique overnight. However, certain supplements can aid your progress by filling in nutritional gaps and supporting your training efforts. Protein powder, for instance, can help you reach your daily protein requirements, especially if you struggle to get enough from whole foods. It's convenient and can be easily incorporated into your diet. Creatine, a naturally occurring compound, has been shown to increase muscle mass and strength. It's one of the most researched and effective supplements available. Caffeine, a stimulant, can boost your energy levels and improve workout performance. It can help you push through tough workouts and stay focused. Additionally, timing your nutrient intake around your workouts can further optimize results. This means planning your meals and snacks to ensure you're fueling your body when it needs it most. Consuming protein and carbohydrates before and after your workouts can enhance muscle protein synthesis and glycogen replenishment. This strategy can help you recover faster and perform better in subsequent workouts. Outro: Unlock your body recomposition potential. Thank you for watching our guide on body recomposition. Remember, with the right approach, you can build muscle and lose fat simultaneously. It's not about choosing one goal over the other, it's about optimizing your training, nutrition, and recovery to achieve the physique you've always desired. Now that you're armed with the knowledge and tools for successful body recomposition, it's time to put in the work and witness the transformative power of this approach. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fitness tips and guides.